Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you're new here, I'm Cordelia and I love bright and colorful alternative makeup, gothic fashion, mental health, and more. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial featuring some of my favorite eyeshadows from 2022. Let me zoom in real fast so you can see that makeup look. This is the eyeshadow look that I put together, a beautiful multi-chrome and mattes look with lots of purple. So if you are a purple eyeshadow fan and you want to see me put together this look, just keep watching. Alright, I've already applied my eyeshadow primer. I put on Urban Decay's Eden eyeshadow primer and I tightlined my upper waterline with Nabla's Black Cupid's Arrow. Going to start with this color right here called Star Crazy from Terra Moons, and I'm going to use this Lethal Cosmetics diffused brush to apply this color. I'm applying this at the inner part of my crease and bringing this color just through the crease of the eye and extending it past the outside of my eye because I have a lot of excess skin at the outer parts of my eye, and I just want to make sure that I'm going to get all of that area to help create a nice shape that I will love. This is the NYX Epic Wear pencil in Berry Goth. It's not what I would consider a particularly good purple, but it's what I use, so I want to do this for consistency. I'm putting this along my lower lash line. Next, I am going to take Terra Moon's Moon Reverie, this beautiful color right, and I'm using a Sigma E36, and I'm going to put this into the socket of my eye and start working it through the socket. Also going to put this on the outer corner of the lid, and I am kind of blending in little circles with this brush through the crease, or through the socket of my eye. I am taking the Lethal Cosmetics 1-Up palette. This is my #1 favorite palette from 2022. I'm using it again, and apparently this is a palette that if you're interested in it, you can pick it up now from Lethal Cosmetics or from Camera Ready Cosmetics. If you pick it up from Camera Ready Cosmetics, you can use my code that's down in the description box down below to help save you money. I'm gonna take this color right here called Joystick, and I'm using the Sigma E27, and I'm popping that right into the socket and just using it to continue to build up my purple crease color. Now I'm going to go to another of my palette favorites from 2022. This is the DANESSA MYRICKS Lightwork 4 palette, and I'm going to take the color Awakening, which is my favorite color in the palette, and I'm going to attempt to use my finger to put it onto my lid. I don't often try to do this because I feel like I lack fine control when doing this, especially because of my big nails. I'm going to use Terra Moon's Zero Gravity, this color right here, with this small Sigma E21 brush. And I'm putting this at the inner corner of my eye, like the inner part of the lid, and I'm going to put it down the inner V too. And I'm taking an IT Cosmetics Smoky Liner brush with that same color Awakening that I just put on my lid, and I'm going to put this along my lower lid. I'm taking Terra Moon's Star Crazy again, and this is just a pencil brush. To blend along the lower part of the eyeball. And I'm taking Lethal Joystick, this beautiful purple again, sticking with the same pencil brush. This is a NYX pencil brush. And I'm just going to blend right on top of the edge of where those two colors meet. I'm taking an IT Cosmetics 138 brush, and I'm going to use this color right here from Lethal Cosmetics called Hip Point. It's beautiful and deep, and I'm going to use that to help add some like depth and darkness at the outer part of my eye without using a black. I'm just blending this with the purple. I'm taking a Sigma E55 brush, which is a tapered round blending brush, and just going to blend in little circles. And I'm going to switch back to the Lethal Cosmetics blending brush. I'm going to take Lethal Moonbeam with this IT Cosmetics All Over brush and just really buff at the edges of this crease color. I want to make sure my gradient is nice and smooth. I'm going to line my lower waterline with NYX Periwinkle Pop pencil. Now I'm back putting on my mascara. I'm going to use the Ritual de Fille Air Glow Luminous Primer Balm in Atmosphere. Another similar product to this would be the DANESSA MYRICKS Prism FX Hydrating Lotion in Original. I love this because it has a wonderful silky texture. And I'm going to try a new foundation that I purchased today. This is the Cryolan Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation, and I'm using shade Y22. I purchased this foundation from Camera Ready Cosmetics recently because it was on sale for like $21, and it seems like a foundation I would love. Let me read you a little bit about it. Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation divines innovation, perfecting your complexion, caring for your skin, and working hand in hand with advancing technologies to deliver an airbrushed skin effect without the need for filters. It's a silicone-based product that's infused with calming and soothing actives. The lightweight liquid is self-setting with a velvet matte finish. So this foundation contains hydrating ingredients that promote suppleness of your skin, giving you fresh, plump skin. It's perfect for balanced to oily skin types. It's a buildable formula. You can apply it with a brush or a sponge and to make it from sheer to medium coverage. And it says that its self-setting properties help to keep powder use to a minimum so that you can allow for the foundation's natural luminosity to glow. So it sounded like it might be a product that I would like, so I figured I'll give this a try. I don't know about the shade match because I just kind of bought the shade match blindly because this isn't, I bought Y22, which is not the lightest shade. There's another shade that's Y21, but it's not carried anywhere in the US. See how well the color matches out in direct sunlight. I'll have to check that later, but like on camera it looks like a good match, on camera and in person in the mirror, like right now it looks like a good match. I always love trying new foundations. All right, I'm going to outline my lips with the NYX Run the World pencil, which is a pinky purple. And now that my lips are outlined, I'm going to fill them in. This is a color from Urban Decay. Urban Decay sent this to me, and the color is called No Restraints, and it's supposed to be a bright purple, so I'm hoping that this works with my look. I don't know, I'm finding this color a little bit difficult to work with. Maybe it's just me because I'm tired, but I have the color on. Now to figure out what I'm going to do for blush. I think I'm going to put on Half Magic Beauty's Spiritually Complex. This is a highlighter. It's meant for deeper skin, but I'm going to put it on as a blush. And I mean, it's got color. I'm going to have to tamp that way down. It's so bright. I definitely feel like blush is having a moment, and so it's kind of cool to have on super bright blush. I'm going to highlight with Black Moon Cosmetics Cat Shark. Because it's the perfect purple highlighter for this look. All right, I think this is my finished makeup look, so I'm going to zoom in so you can see the eyes up close. Look at that multi-chrome goodness from DANESSA MYRICKS Awakening. Isn't it beautiful? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial revisiting some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from 2022. What were some of your favorite eyeshadow palettes? Please be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you have any tutorial requests, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. If you like this video and you want to see more indie makeup videos, please give it a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful creatures. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.